welcome at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about the triple murder that took place in Waterloo, Spanish Town. But I say, the name of people who then put out on the person of interest list, I have to do this video. I have to do this video because, when I was sick, sometimes I'm telling you, I say, I the same man them over and over. Things like this just confirm it. A whole family gone, dead. Mother, father, son. Looking like a case of you can't catch Walker, you catch him shot. Again, same old, same old. I was actually in the process of working on the medic video. Very interesting. We know say big people don't go quote unquote missing, for so long, and then family hear from them, so you kinda know what's going on already. The Wellington family, gone. Omar, the father, Sharon, the mother, and Orlando, a student of Innswood, 16-year-old, dead. Their home got invaded, their mouth tie up, clot, and them tie up, tied behind them back. It look like the husband wrestled one time on them or something, but you can see say the son, Orlando, tie him up. The woman, the mother, Sharon, it look like they cut her throat because, again, we're looking at the pictures. JC not put all this information, but the pictures of the crime scene, looking at them, I can see like her neck area look like some kind of cutting going. The room, ransacked, drawer pull out. Based on what I'm seeing here, it look like some kind of questioning going on. Like them tie them up and ask them all kind of something. Especially considering say, they never get killed instantly. And the whole I draw them pull out. I mean, it could be 87s just trying to fake a motive. I know sometimes they fake the motive, they want to make it look like say what a robbery or something. But I'm just pointing out what stand out to me. The room ransacked, them tie up, so they were not killed instantly. Them could have kicked off the door, go in and shot them instantly and left. But some kind of questioning and some kind of torture go on. Which, let me say, the ransacking make it look like a robbery, but when a robbery is the real motive, 87 don't normally go so hard. When you see throat a slash and hand a tie behind back and all kind of look like questioning going on and people that hear much loud bawling and for a sustained period. This one is spooky. Everybody in the underwear look like they can wake up to them sleep early morning. Imagine you lie down, got your bed. I just want to understand what them people that go through, I know it's hard, depending on which way you come from, especially if you come from a place where you're not used to seeing death and everything there. But I just wanted to try and imagine a scenario where you lie down in your bed, drop asleep, and when you wake up, a big gunman over you and tie you up. Those were them final moments. Gruesome is an understatement right now. What me say, the person of interest is very interesting. In case I don't know, all kind of madness are going on foreign, especially place like Philly. The one other gang, man and man have them issues. The man of this, man and all kind of things. But this is mostly tied to the man them associated with one another. I'm going to tell you why them names end up on the list. Listen to the names on the JCF person of interest list. Tell me if them sound familiar. And I'm going to tell you the link right there to this family. First one will stand out, Demar Williams. Because does the name sound familiar? Demar Williams. Because I know enough people just watch the video and skim like some people read book and just skim over. They must look at the picture of them and they read nothing, and just skim over and look at the picture of them. Some people watch the video them so too, but some people really listen carefully. So Demar Williams, right, should ring a bell. AKA Kai Kai. That's the name them put. That's the street name them put. But you know what's his other nickname? Baby Killer. Demar Williams, aka Kai Kai, aka Baby Killer. A youth who me tell him to say go kill people before he even get let go from jail. The same Demar who won, so when him go back on the road, we not gonna see what go on. You don't know that, oh you know so, No. See the paying TV, but the JC for telling them what go on. I just make up things to get views. Othniel Laban, aka Tickman. That one sound familiar too? Where have you heard that name before? And the various warnings about him. A man known as Blacks who is overseas. May I see them put on it? A man known as Negos who is overseas. No. Again, just like how for them are them put Kai Kai. Do you know what Negos other street name? Handsome. As in the handsome from the James Hines video. The youth who was James Hines' arch nemesis, and the two of them used to be at it back and forth. The youth who various mass murdering operations were launched in Tredegar Park we get from all the way back them time there. Him overseas. Still upon persons of interest. Because he went and the man named left Ironman. What them start do? Sponsor, coordinate the death and destruction. It's the same people committing the majority of the murders. No, the mother, the wife who died, Sharon. You see what them put? Blacks who is overseas? That youth is a Don. Right. Tredegar Park. The Gary man claims in a run place and way. So Blacks is a quote unquote Don. So in this triple murder, the husband, the wife, right, and the youth, the wife, fear brother is Blacks. Right. The Don. So you already see how this is shaping up. Even though Blacks are foreign, he might some other man at that. Right, you know them problems, no matter of fact. Right. But last week, shooting go on, all kind of madness. And the same name them now. You hear about Roto them, you hear about Handsome them, you hear about Blacks them. Right, they are foreign and go out be things. Philly are one of the main places where this play out, by the way. Enough for the back and forth will go on between other man them and Philly to play out. Right, internal thing. So, because Blacks are brother, just last week, shooting go on foreign. Let me say, the Handsome and them people in name start call. So this is how these persons of interest list come about. Now them are them and Tipman them, obviously them the Iron Man. So that's how they remind us. So you have one set where involved in the foreign beef, you have the next set where carry over the axe Iron Man. Right, when you say Tipman are one other than them things that not happen without fiend blessing. Them are him all over the place. But yeah, the person of interest list, one should know the name them. If they deal with them are how long, Tickman from how long, Handsome from how long, they wouldn't be in this situation. I know them put out this Person of interest report by 5 o'clock. If the man them go I got him. I think 87 them. I know how the court system work. The man then kill everybody in the house. So they know so this will get ugly. Real ugly. Check out these statements. They were said on nationwide. Man. Listen carefully.
We are of the opinion that there might be persons in the community who are aware of who the perpetrators may be, and we would love for them to give us the information, whatever information they have, so that we can arrest those persons individually as quickly as possible. Because when you have those persons at large, one of the things that you see in cases like these is the whole question of reprisal. So we want to act very quickly to take the matter into our own and to have the investigators treat with the matter. So if you know who the persons are, we really want them to report the matter to the police so we can deal with it, because when it is done otherwise, then we continue to see this cycle of killing and reprisal. So whatever information you have, there are avenues out there that you can make these reports and be anonymous. You can call Crime Stop at 311. You can call the NIB helpline hotline at 811. You can actually go to the detectives at Spanish Town. If you're not feeling comfortable going to Spanish Town, you can actually make your way to Kingston at the NCB South Tower. That's where you have the CIB headquarters as well as the headquarters for the Major Investigation Division.
If they don't take all the players off the field, right, then the murder ball game will continue. Something like this can't happen and somebody not dead back. Her brother is the quote unquote done. You think blacks are gonna make this slide? Them have to kill back people for this. That is the rules of the street. Somebody have to dead back. This is why I'm gonna say, not being able, right, to take 87s off the street, right, fuel the murders, because as long as them dip on the street, them enemies are hunt them to kill them. And if the enemy succeed and kill them, then for them friend go back to kill the enemy. And if they can't catch the enemy, then they go pull off on triple murder against the enemy's family. And the murder statistics rise and rise and rise. In the whole of Spanish Town, for the year, if you take up every murder, if there was a way or you could press one button and find out the name of everybody who ever killed him, you would see by the same minority of man them carry out the majority of shootings. Like Spanish Town, Montego Bay, in a matter. So this is why you see a name like Handsome after all these years. You see names like Tickman, you see names like Demar. Still there on person of interest. Every time something go on at Gregory Park, I see him name them on the sea. Toastan and the same name them. When you think social intervention are going to stop them with it. You think the blacks are going to hear say them are gone for a social intervention program and say, oh well, at least in turn him life around. The man them are going to burn down anywhere him there. The man them are going to shoot at that. Kill him and kill all in co-worker them. Say that. I think them are going to stop and go look work and call it a day. You better ask Dooley how that work out for him. You better ask Dooley, Keegan how that work out for him. 87s will stop midway in a badness and go and get work. Dooley the price right at a work in a supermarket. Clantman 87. Man left all from Spanish Town go kill him. Being spooky. So this person of interest list are come off of the facts. The beef are going on foreign. Right, and the lady will lose her life. Her brother are blacks and blacks involved in the beef. But it's early days. Right, but I just want to understand, so I see a man. Right. That is what I want to take from this video. Right. I see him name them. See him and them do the same thing. One time them do something, it just start a 2-day story and it done. Come in with questioning, nobody turn up for ID parade, get let go back. Kill again. 87s have figured out how the system works. they don't take it seriously. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.